Good morning! It's September 28th, 2025, and today we are going to
Portsmouth in English and Portsmouth in every other language.
what can we expect from there?
A port with some sailing boats.
It's a historical
Museum. Navy museum.
Navy museum back in 1500s or 1600s. Or before
and the
before that,
Mary Rose and lots of other little things. I don't know, I've never been.
Yeah.
There's a boat anyway, or a ship. For the nautical people, there's a ship.
Okay, and the weather today is not very nice. It's gloomy and it's raining, so hopefully it won't
it's still a whopping 12 degrees, so it's still t-shirt weather.
So it is 13 degrees Celsius at the moment, and Portsmouth is 2 hours away from where we at, so it's quite a long journey. Hour and a half now. And because it's a long journey, we have snacks,
beer.
We have beer?
No.
I know. So we have Coke, bread, and peanuts, chocolate, and candies, lozenges, and
obviously
and
the nation's favourite Walker's cheese and onion crisp.
Walkers,
Cheese and onion crisp.
cheese and onion.
Walkers?
What? Cheese and onion chips.
Crisp.
Crisp.
That's actually chips and bits of potato and that.
Aye, crisp. Sorry, wrong spelling.
No, wrong country.
Wrong nation.
I'm English, not American though, remember that.
Yeah, he's English. Everyone.
I know it's a bit
Remember
out
that.
of the norm for a Filipino to...
Maybe they will say we are racist. You are racist.
I'm not racist, I'm just saying.
Because you're emphasizing your English.
Well, I have to, because you just suggested I was American.
I didn't say that.
You did.
Now you mention. Now you mention America. Okay, enough with racism.
Some people... what racism? People automatically associate that a Filipino will be married to an American, and I'm just stating that I'm not American.
Grabe.
Alright, how many bloggers are out there with Americans? A lot.
Yeah.
See?
I don't know. So back to the weather. Let's go back to the weather. So it's still gloomy. It's dark, cold.
From 5 minutes ago, it's still gloomy, Josh.
Yeah.
He's sitting in the back going, don't drag me into this.
It's still gloomy. But the view is nice. Very calm. And cold. What else?
It's not cold, it's 13 degrees. And on yesterday's vlog, this was a lot brighter.
No, it was
Wasn't it?
brighter yesterday.
It was brighter yesterday, that's what I just said.
No, you said.
No, I didn't. I said it was brighter. Play it back. I said on yesterday's vlog, this was a lot brighter than it was. In this video, we'll explore HMS Warrior, the Royal Navy's first iron-hulled warship. We'll step aboard, discover what's inside her decks, and uncover the story of how she changed naval history. In an age when wooden warships ruled the oceans, a new force emerged. Launched in 1860, HMS Warrior was the world's first iron-hulled armoured battleship. A marvel of engineering that changed naval warfare forever. She was vast, unstoppable, and decades ahead of her rivals, powered by steam and sail, bristling with massive guns and shielded by iron plates. She struck fear into every navy that dared to challenge Britain's might. And yet she never had to fight. Her very presence was enough. HMS Warrior stood as a silent guardian of peace, her strength deterring war before it began. But time moves fast. New technologies left her behind. She was retired, forgotten, and left to decay until her rebirth in the late 20th century.
And 20 ratings just on this gun deck. So this table I'm sat at is a mess. So there'd be 18 men to a mess table with every hook you see for a hammock. So that'd be 9 men above mess table and 9 men with a gun throughout the entire gun deck. So there's no secrets in here. Tried that one, it didn't work. With a total complement of 705. So that'd be 520 ratings, 123 Royal Marines, 40 commissioned officers, roughly 60 in steam division, the rest is made up of NCOs and fighters. So, a bit like a family we are.
Yeah.
So, I mean, obviously the munitions are stored all around, but where was the food stored?
So we store the food down in the lowers, sir. Keeps it nice and fresh, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Because our ship's made out of metal, that's cold. We're sat in the sea, that's cold. Cold water, cold metal, cold lowers, fresh fruit and veg. Then we bring it up and prepare it when we don't do.
Where's the captain? Captain.
The desk with the big gun next to it.
Oh, that's the master, Mr. Blakely.
Is it?
Yeah. Captain Cochrane's cabin is straight through the last door.
Oh, right.
One with a nice sofa in it.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much. It's just amazing. This is actually what the classes are to be. Everything else is full of food. Everything.
Heavy wool. It's too cold in here. Very chilly. Yeah, absolutely. So that is what his night cabin supposed to have that one because the other option he had was a bed that's fixed to the side of the ship. So when the ship rocks, he's going to fall out. Can't fall out of bed if you're the captain, the largest, fastest, most powerful warship in the world. It's embarrassing. Everyone will know That would lunch. be very nice.
Yeah, it's unideal, isn't it? Yeah. 700 people on here, he'll never live it down. in there.
The what room?
That's the words that we use, but in...
Oh, okay.
Yes, and the captain has 2. One on this side of the ship and one on that side of the ship. Yeah. There, all of these ropes, that's where the rudder is. So the steering wheels, all those ropes up there, and then at the back of this room, that is the rudder post at the back there. So that's where the ship is steered from. Lots of people made this. She was built in 1860, and the place she was built, where hundreds and hundreds of people were working on her, was called Thames Iron Works. It's actually in East London, yeah, on the river. Yeah, thousands, because this is such a very time.
Taking longer for us to build some Lego.
Sorry.
Smart.
You look like a little sailor.
To entertain themselves. Lamp room.
Magazine. To serve on Warrior was to live inside the future, iron decks under your feet, fire and steam in her belly, and the knowledge that your ship was the most powerful in the world. Now restored to her former glory, HMS Warrior rests proudly in Portsmouth. She is no longer a weapon of war, but a time machine, carrying us back to the moment when iron changed the seas forever.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment,
and subscribe for more chill vlogs and everyday adventures.